Hi, I'm Clive from Bungalows, and I'm here to introduce you to number 2 Springwood Close. This is the largest and arguably the best plot on this exclusive low-density development of high-quality detached bungalows. Featuring open-plan kitchen, dining and living areas with 3 good-sized bedrooms, a modern bathroom and ensuite, air source heat pump and underfloor heating throughout. This superb bungalow enjoys a large detached garage, a part-walled south-facing garden and plenty of parking. Please come along and see for yourself. I'd love to show you around.